promised, we have Todd Preston on the line via Skype from D.A. Davidson this morning. Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. A little technical difficulties, but I think we'll make it.
Gosh, and on live TV too, you gotta love it. So let's get all caught up on this week. We'll start off with yesterday. It sounds like stocks ended mixed. Tell us about that.
Yeah, we did. We had a really nice day going most of the day. The Dow was up over 400 points, and we had some good strength across the market. But then towards the end, we sold off. The Dow ended up only up 39, and the S&P and the Nasdaq were pretty much flat. And of course, oil and jobless claims kind of ruled the day again.
And tell us some more. You mentioned oil. Tell us some more about that.
Okay, so earlier in the week, in fact, Monday, oil, because of the May futures contract being closed out on Tuesday, created all sorts of stir because there were no buyers for the contract because there's no supply. So these future contract owners, at the risk of getting delivered on, had nowhere to put their oil. There's tankers in the ocean full of oil with nowhere to go. So you saw oil actually trade negative on the futures market, so that they were actually trying to give it away, basically. So however, oil didn't really go to worthlessness, but it did get hit hard. It was down, I think Tuesday it hit a low of around 10. We've rallied all the way back up to 17, so we're now only about $50 off our recent high. So it's just been brutal. There is no demand, and travel restrictions, planes aren't going anywhere. So until we get some demand to take care of some of the supply, oil is going to suffer. So it's, like I said, up to almost 17 or almost 18.
And something else I'm afraid to ask about here, the jobless claims. What are we seeing there?
Well, we saw 4.4 million claims this last week versus 4.25 million the week before, so greater than the week before. The 5-week total is now more than 26 million. Continuing claims, however, are trending down a little bit, so that's giving a little optimism. And then, of course, as we're seeing, states are beginning to open, including Montana, going to try to open Monday. So if we can get some of those jobs back and get the economy moving again, then we'll be okay. But it's been brutal, it's been severe, and it's been a cliff.
Yes, it has. Well, Todd, thank you so much, and thanks for working with us through all of this morning's technical problems we had. We appreciate your continued effort in making this interview happen. Thank you so much, and have a good weekend.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks. We'll be right back after this break.